Good morning, students. Today I am going to demonstrate the focal length of convex mirror using convex lens. Now, apparatus required. This is object needle. This is optical. This is optical bench. This is uprights. This is object needle. This is next uprights. This is holder. Here, this is lens. Convex lens is kept here. This is uprights and this is holder. This is here, mirror is attached here or kept here, and this is the image of this object. So we can't find the focal length of convex mirror directly, so here we are using the convex lens. With the help of convex lens we find out the focal length of convex mirror. Now you see the arrangement, how to we calculate the reading. Now I will do this experiment in two steps. This is the first step. This is object, this is convex lens, this is the convex mirror. The light rays moves from this object, incident on this lens, this incident on this lens, and after refraction it will converge at this point. It means this light rays is converged at the center of curvature of this mirror. This is the convex mirror, this is convex mirror. So this is the pole of this mirror and this is the center of curvature. Now in the second step we will remove the convex mirror. Without mirror we are seeing the image of this object. So this is convex lens, this is object, light rays moves from this to this. So the image is formed at this point of this object. So this is the image position. The image position at the center of curvature of this mirror. This is the pole of the mirror. Now calculate the distance between this pole of the mirror and image of this object. This is the center of curvature. This is center of curvature and this is also known as the radius of curvature. Now you see this ray diagram on this optical bench. This is object. So to find the focal length of this convex mirror, first we put the object at the here. This is object. It is represented by this red symbol. This is convex lens. This is convex lens. This is the convex mirror and this is the image of this object. So we see the reading of this object. This object is at position that is 45 centimeter. This is 45 centimeter. Now the position of lens here, this is 60 centimeter. Now again the position of mirror is 67 centimeter and the position of image formed by this convex lens and convex mirror, here its position is, this is at 90 centimeter. So in this position, once again you see the position of object here, this is 45 centimeter. This is the position of lens, this is 60 centimeter. 60 centimeter. This is the position of mirror, this is 67 centimeter. Now the position of image, this is nearly 90 centimeter. 90 centimeter. Now this is the image at 90 centimeter and this is the position of mirror, this is 60 centimeter. So the distance between this mirror and this image, it is denoted by radius of curvature. So this is 90 minus 67, this is equal to 23 centimeter. As you know that the relation between focal length and radius of curvature, f equal to r by 2. So to find the focal length of this convex mirror, we are using the formula f equal to F equal to R by 2. So now to find the focal length of convex mirror, we are using here formula F equal to R by 2, and already we got the value of radius of curvature. This is 23 centimeter. So this is 23 upon 2. This is equal to 10.15 centimeter. So with the help of this formula, we can calculate the focal length of this convex mirror, 10.15 centimeter. Similarly, you can take the another readings, second, third. You change the position of this object. Similarly, you can take another readings. You can change the position of this object. This is the position of lens, position of mirror, and this is the position of image. Now you see the final image of this object here. So the image of this object is like this, invert over this, and the tips of this object and image needle join together. And when you move your eyes left or right, means on either side of the left or right, the object needle and image needle should be moved together, so there is no parallax. So hope you understood this video of this experiment. Thank you.